What's going on, guys? Tony here, back with a video. And this video we're going to be checking out this magnetic watch band for the Apple Watch Series SE 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So it is a 42 millimeter slash 44 millimeter. I got this on Christmas Day. I ordered it actually, and it is $21.99. I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts on it. This is just gonna be a quick unboxing and put it on the Apple Watch to see how it feels and how strong these magnetic band is. But link will be down in the description below if you guys are interested. But let's go ahead and open this right up. Stop wasting time. So this is red color option I picked. They do have several other colors. Let me show you real quick what other colors they have. They have black, blue, green, red. So that's the color options that they have. They also have the 38 millimeter and the 44 millimeter. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. There is the barcode there. I'm gonna open this up and see how easy this goes on my Apple Watch. And just check out the quality on it. You can see there, nothing else in the box. Put that out the way. Comes in a little Ziploc bag. And you can see here, I open it up. There's actually two bands. There is, I believe, the top and bottom band. This is what they look like. Pretty magnetic, pretty strong. Whoa, look at that. So very strong fit magnetically, but let's see if, right there is pretty strong. So it's pretty strong. Let me go ahead and pull my Apple Watch and try to get these out without taking off this band. Let's see if I can slide it. Okay, here we go. We got one out. We'll just throw that down for now. And we'll slide this in. Seemed to lock right into place. I got it off. So it's because I didn't remove my case on the watch here, but looks like it's on there pretty good. I do see a little bit of flex back and forth, but it definitely it's on there. So there it is. I did put the band on. It went on pretty easily. I was just having a difficult time removing my old band, but you can see here, this is super long. I believe you can trim this down by cutting it. But yeah, there it is. Boom, pretty strong. Links down in the description below if you guys are interested in this magnetic watch band for the Apple Watch. Once again, I'll try it on real quick. It's super long. I think I have to trim it down. But yeah, it's on there. Very nice. So yeah, links down in the description below. We out.